Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm Inform, and today we will learn about one of the most important equipment used in pharmaceutical industry. In this video, we will learn what is the FBD, what is the principle of FBD, what are the components of the FBD, and how FBD works, what are the critical process parameters of the FBD, and what are the advantages of the FBD. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all subscribe my channel and must watch the complete video. Now let's start our video. What is the FBD? FBD is fluidized bed dryer or fluid bed dryer. You can see a rough diagram of the FBD. It is one of the most important equipment used in pharmaceutical industries for the wet granulation process, and its function is to dry our wet product. Mean we use FBD or fluidized bed dryer to dry the granules. So it is used in the wet granulation process. Next is the what is the principle of FBD? Mean on which principle fluidized bed dryer works? FBD works on the principle of fluidization. So what is the fluidization? To understand, remember one thing: the carrying capacity of the air for particles is more than the settling velocity. Mean the velocity at which air carry our particles is more than the velocity at which particles settle down at its original place. In simple words, the air pushes our product upward at the high velocity and its settling velocity is less, so the particles or our wet product remain suspended in the drying chamber. This process is known as fluidization, and it is the basic principle of the fluidized bed dryer. Next one is that what are the components of FBD? The most important components of FBD are product trolley. The product trolley is the component where we add our wet product. Then we have the drying chamber. Then we have the filters. SS filters or finger bag filters are used in FBD. Then we have the blower, return air duct, inlet air duct. We have the mesh attached at the bottom of FBD. Must mention the name of mesh in the comment box. Mean what is the technical term used for the mesh attached at the bottom? Must give your answer in the comment box. If you do not know, must watch the video. The link is given in description. Then we have the plenum. So these are the basic components of the FBD. The next one is that what is the working of FBD? Mean how a fluidized bed dryer works. First of all, we add our wet product in the product trolley. Then we turn our FBD on after sealing the product trolley in the drying chamber. When inlet air comes inside, it is supplied with higher pressure, so it lifts our wet product and our product is fluidized in the drying chamber. This hot air comes in contact with the wet particles and take its moisture, and our dry product settle down. Then again it is lifted and the process continues until the product is dried according to the required level. Then the air which removes the moisture from our product leaves the drying chamber through these filters. Mean these filters act as a barrier for our product. These filters only allow the air to escape out of the drying chamber, and this air go outside through the return air duct. So it is the simple working mechanism of the fluidized bed dryer. Next one is that what are the CPPs of the FBD, or what are the critical process parameters of the FBD? The critical process parameters of the FBD are inlet air temperature, outlet air temperature, product temperature, fan motor speed, or air volume. These are the most important critical process parameters of the fluidized bed dryer. The next one is that what are the advantages of the FBD. The most common advantage of FBD is that a large quantity of product can be dried in a shorter period of time. Mean if we dry our product in tray dryers, so it take a lot of time. Mean if we dry our product by using tray dryers, it result in wastage of time. Mean drying is very prolonged, but by using the fluidized bed dryer, we can dry our product in short period of time. The next one is that the cleaning of the FBD is very simple. We can easily wash our FBD by manual cleaning or by using the CIP or WIP method. So it was all about the fluidized bed dryer. If you want to learn details of fluidized bed dryer or interviews question related to the FBD, the link of the videos are given in description. Must watch those videos. Subscribe my channel, like the video, share it to others. Also visit my website farmandfarm.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.